by Jupiter, by Saturn. So this is why when I did my planet tier ranking, I said that Jupiter and Saturn were kind of the bodyguards of the solar system because they, you know, sort of keep our orbits stable. Picture of Bigfoot riding Loch Ness going over a waterfall. Yeah. I hope that was a flat Earth joke, because if so, yeah. I don't know why. They're just like my favorite hobby, I think, because I don't know how much of it is a troll and how many people actually believe it. Although I did meet one of my friends from the army that I'm actually like pretty decent friends with, that I'm still in touch with. He believes in a flat Earth, and so I've been chatting with him about it. And from what I can tell, and actually trying to be nice, right? Not trying to be mean. I think that the types of people who go for the flat Earth thing are, and I don't use the word conspiracy as a bad word on this channel, but I think what happens is you go down the conspiracy rabbit hole, you find out, oh, okay, the government has lied about some things, so therefore, what else is it lying about, right? And, you know, yes, for sure, the government has lied about plenty of things in the past, but one of the things that I've kind of always said is that, you know, just because someone lies about one thing doesn't mean that they lie about another thing, right? So, you know, just because your ex cheated on you and lied about that doesn't mean she lied to you about what high school she went to. But the type of brain, I think, that will accept a flat Earth theory, it's like you're sitting inside and you just sort of slowly continue to build more and more of a distrust for institutions until you don't believe them anymore. And the interesting thing is, this guy I know who's a flat earther, he actually worked in Patriot missiles with me, and Patriot missiles and artillery do not work without correcting for the Coriolis effect, which is something that only happens on a flat Earth. You know, it's the reason why prevailing winds go east in the northern hemisphere and west in the southern hemisphere. It's the reason why water spins clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere, and hence why we have hurricanes in the north, typhoons in the south, and they don't cross. You know, there's not a single hurricane or typhoon or anything like that on the equator. There's just not. So, you know, to me, that's, if you ever kind of get into it with a flat earther, that's the easiest thing. They're like, dude, a sniper shooting from 2 miles has to make small corrections for the Coriolis effect for the rotation of the Earth. An artilleryman shooting from 80 miles definitely does, and a Patriot missile operator, you know, shooting from a longer distance, absolutely does. You're gonna miss by a large distance without it. So, and you will probably just be responded to with a bunch of memes, but, you know. And yeah, so this is what normally happens here, Road, or Hayden, is, yeah, you just get, all the moons are going to kind of jettison, some of them are going to go out, some of them are going to form into basically a new Oort cloud, or a new asteroid belt. And yeah, because Mars, or Saturn and Jupiter do pretty much hold our solar system together, so besides actually, you know, deflecting comets and asteroids and other things that come flying at us and hitting us, you know, they're really just the great bodyguards. They keep our orbit kind of tight and together and in shape. You know, we have the large mass of the sun on the inside, and then a large mass of Jupiter and the other gas and ice giants on the outside, kind of just keeping this perfect equilibrium in our solar system. And when you get rid of them, boom, you don't have it anymore, right? Hey everyone, it's Maddie. You just saw a short clip from a longer live video, so make sure to check out the link to that video if you're interested in seeing more. And of course, make sure to like, comment, and share this with somebody who you think would be interested. Thanks a lot. I hope you learned something new today. Peace.